Wheelchair report. I saw this the other night, but it was dark out, and this was so dangerous. I'm going to show you this half here, and then I'm going to show you the other part down further. And this is now October 12, I think it is. This is a so-called new rotary. This part here is going to be a quick little part. The other day when I was crossing the street here, I almost got killed because the cars couldn't see me and they didn't stop. I'm going to take a shortcut across the street here, and we'll go down this other path and see if this is open. You see the crosswalk? This is what you go through in a town full of driving zombies. So I'm just giving you a tour of the construction site going on here. The so-called rotary, the building in Halifax, right by the Halifax Commons, where they took all the big trees down. This is going to cause a really big problem in the winter with the wind blowing. You know, I told them why they had all those trees there, eh? Why? Because when this thing was built, it was built with common sense. That's why they call it Halifax Commons. That's a great big giant field. In the winter now, without those trees there, this whole area is going to be whiteouts, it's going to be black ice, it's going to be undrivable, and people aren't going to be able to walk on the sidewalks. And there's no way they're going to be able to keep this clear because they took the trees down that cut the wind off. Now, the wind is going to hit the buildings, it's going to circle back around, and everything's going to drop on the street. The city of Halifax does a really shitty job to begin with when it comes to clearing the sidewalks. They get idiots driving around bobcats and destroying all the properties everywhere, and they leave all these snow piles at all the corners all the time. So now, without the trees here, this area here is going to be deadly for people. Take care, man. Well, I'm going to take a risk and go down the street here to save some mileage since there's no sidewalk. But I'm only doing this to show you what they're doing here. There's not much traffic, so I can do this. And this is what they call, I don't know, a rotary. What doesn't make any sense is this street doesn't get very much traffic, but I think the reason why they're doing it is to make it easy for the buses to get through, because they want to change the bus routes in this town because they're a disaster. Getting around in a wheelchair is a lot faster than walking. You can't tell, but the other night when I came down here, this concrete wasn't here. And it was even more dangerous for wheelchairs because it was dark and you couldn't see anything. Because they don't have any street lights working in this part. So yeah, it looks like they built a bus stop right there. So this is the Halifax Commons new rotary construction. And there's going to be more they're going to be doing down further over here, so they're going to take more trees down. Go to wheelchairrights.wordpress.com and get more reports. I'll repeat that. wheelchairrights.wordpress.com.